Good morning class, welcome back to our online class today. So it's me again, teacher Vankongkea. How are you today this morning? Great, so I hope that you are fine and don't forget to eat your breakfast, right? Okay, so I hope that you eat your breakfast already. So right now let's move to our lesson today. But before we start our lesson, teacher want you to read the day, the month and the year with teacher first before we move to our lesson for today. So today is Tuesday, right? Okay, so now let's repeat after teacher. Tuesday, July 28, 2020. As you know already, every Tuesday in the first session, we are going to study our book is Listening Starter 2, right? And yesterday, you know already that we study about on your own, that we do conversation with our partner already. So right now, let's continue our lesson, unit 11, that we talk about packing for a trip. So teacher want you to open your book right now on page 77, that we have some exercise to do for today that related with our quiz. So now let's open with teacher all together. Okay, so here is our page 77. That in this page we talk about quiz, right? That we have exercise that you need to do is exercise A, B, C, and D. So before you do that one, let me explain you one by one how to do it. Okay, so now let's look. So exercise A, you need to listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. As you know already, in this one we have 4 pictures in here, so you need to listen the audio track that teacher will provide you later, and after that you need to write the letter on this column of this picture. Okay, and right now let's move to B. Listen, choose the best response. So we have number 5 and we have number 6. But we have 3 answers, A, B, and C. So you need to listen our audio track also. And after that, you need to choose the best response, okay? And move to C, you need to listen to the dialogue. Choose T for true or F for false. So you need to listen our audio track again that related 121. And after that, you need to circle true or false of this sentence, okay? And move to the last one. Listen to the speaker, choose the correct answer. So need to listen to the speaker. After that, you need to choose the correct answer that we have the question, and don't forget to read the question first, okay? And you need to choose the answer only one, that we have A and B. So now teacher will provide you all the listening track from exercise A, B, and C, and D. So let's listen with teacher all together.
A. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
He is carrying his passport.
B. Jenny tried to pack too many clothes. C.
It wasn't easy for Kay to carry her books.
D. Brett really likes his new pants. B. Listen. Choose the best response. 5.
Should I pack some pants?
6. Will I need anything else? C. Listen to the dialogue. Choose T for true or F for false. I don't know what to pack for my trip. Will you look at the clothes in my closet?
Sure. Where are you going?
I'm going to Canada.
It's cold there. You will need a coat, pants, and a sweater. And you should pack some socks and a warm hat.
D. Listen to the speaker. Choose the correct answer.
I have to pack my bag for school every morning. I take books, paper, pens, and pencils. I usually put my lunch in my bag, but sometimes I don't pack my lunch.
Okay, so teacher know it already that you finish our exercise already, that A, B, C, and D. Are you correct all, everyone? Okay, so now let's check with teacher all together related with our exercise for today. So now let's look at the whiteboard that our exercise, we focus on exercise A first, okay? That you need to listen, write the letter that matches the picture. As you know already in our page 77, the first one you need to look at the picture and you need to write the letter that you hear at the moment already. So now let's check the answer with teacher all together. Okay, so now let's look at picture number 1 in here. What letter that you need to complete into this column? Great, so the color that we need to complete into this column is letter D, right? Very good. So teacher will write letter D on the number 1. Okay, so now let's move to the next picture. Is picture number 2. So what is the letter that we need to complete into this box again? It's letter C. Very good. Okay, so teacher will write in here. Now let's move to picture number 3 in here, right? Okay, that they have suitcase and they have passport. So this one is letter A. Very good. Okay, so teacher will write in here. Number 3 is letter A. And move to the last picture in here. That they are packing the clothes into the suitcase, right? So this one is the letter B. Very good. So teacher will write in here. Okay, so now let's move to B. Listen, choose the best response. So you can see in here, teacher will read it for you. Okay, so number 5, we have 3 answers that we have A, B, and C. So now let me read A. No, you don't need a coat. B. Yes, you will need a pair of pants. C. Yes, I will be ready soon. So 3 of that one, the correct one is letter B, right? Yes, you will need a pair of pants. So this one teacher need to circle B, right? Okay, so now let's move to number 6. A. You will need some socks. B. I'm packing a bag. C. Yes, I'm done. So which one is the correct one, everyone? Great, I know that you know the answer already is letter A, right? So teacher will circle letter A. So now let's move to C. Listen to dialogue. Choose T for true or F for false. So now let's see this one. Okay, so now teacher will read. Number 7. He finished packing his suitcase. True or false? Good. So it's false, right? Okay, so now let's move to number 8. He will need socks and t-shirt. So true or false? Good. So that one is false, right? Okay, so we need to circle letter F. So now let's move to the last exercise. Is exercise D. Listen to the speaker. Choose the correct answer. Okay, so now let teacher read again. Number 9. What is the speaker talking about? A. Getting ready for a trip. B. Getting ready for a school. So A, B, which one is the correct one? Great. So the correct one is B. Getting for a school. So teacher will circle in here. So now let's move to number 10. Okay, let me read. What does the speaker sometimes not pack? A pen. B, her lunch. So the thing that she not pack is her lunch. So letter B. So here is our answer that related with our exercise for today. That we have exercise A, B, C, and D. So teacher hope that you correct all. And now it's time for our break time right now. So see you again in second session. Goodbye.